In this video, I am going to show you how to make at least $200 a day with Google. And this is XB Marketing with another video. So I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use from today and start making money online with Google. All right. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to google.com and you want to type in Google Skills Shop right here. So once you type that on the search bar and you click on this first link right here, it's going to take you to this platform right here. As you can see, it says master the Google tools you use at work with free online training. So basically, this is a platform. This is an official platform from Google that you can learn any course about Google AdWords, Google Marketing Platform, Analytic Academy, and ways. And they are going to give you a certificate that looks like this after you've completed any of the trainings. Okay, so if I take this Google AdWords as an example, if I click on this first one right here, as you can see right here, the course is about 4 hours long, and this is their Google Ad Search certification. Okay, and also you can see it has over 900 reviews on it. All right, and if you scroll down, you can see right here that you can get started and you can learn this course and you can go through this course at your own pace. All right, you can see these are all you are going to learn in this course. All right, so basically all you just need to do is log in and then you can take this course and you will be given a certificate after completing the course. All right, so basically if you go back, there are a lot of courses like I mentioned earlier. As you can see, the first one that I use as an example, which is Google Ad Search certification. And also you can see you can learn Google Ads display. You can learn a lot of courses here that you can learn for free from Google themselves. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to monetize these courses and how you can make money with these courses. All right, after you've taken this course, you want to make sure you want to go through this course and you want to get a certificate for this course. All right, so once you've done that, you've gone through the course, then you want to head over to Fiverr.com and you want to sell your skills on Fiverr. All right, as you can see right here, if you type in Google Ads on Fiverr, as you can see, there are people who are making money on Fiverr with Google AdWords services. So if I click on this person as an example, as you can see, this person here says, I will set up, optimize and manage Google ad campaigns to maximize return on ad spent. All right, so basically you can also see right here, this guy has 5 orders in queue already, and you can see his basic plan is $50. So basically you can just come over to this gig and you can look at the way the person structured the gig and you can make a similar gig. All right, as you can see, the account was created just last year. All right, so and this person has made a lot of money on Fiverr already, because if you look at the number of reviews right here, if I scroll down, you can see he has over 40 reviews already. And I can tell you, most of the people who come on Fiverr, they go for this standard package. As you can see, the standard package is over $100. So I can tell you this guy must have made at least $10,000 from this gig alone. So basically if you go back here, all right, you can see there are a lot of other people who are doing the same thing as well on Fiverr. So basically you want to do the same thing. It's a very simple process. All you just need to do is take the training from Google themselves and you can come over to Fiverr and list your service right here. All right, and you don't have to use only Fiverr alone. You can go on to peopleperhour.com, and also if you type in Google Ads right here, you can see this is also another person that is selling their service for up to $260. All right, and you can also see this person has made 261 sales from this service alone. All right, so a lot of people are making money with this Google Ads service. So this is one of the easiest way that you can start making money online. All you just need to do, like I said, is take one of these courses right here and you can come on to Fiverr. It's absolutely free. All you need to do is create an account and list your service on Fiverr. And just like this person I showed you, this person created an account just less than a year ago, and you can see the person is already making money on Fiverr. All right, so this is just one person amongst a lot of people who are doing the same thing. All right, and also another method that I'm going to show you is you can also go on to YouTube as well, and you can go on and type in how to set up Google Ads. So basically you are going to be coming onto YouTube to look for clients. All right, so as you can see right here, if you install a plugin called vidIQ, you will be able to see the number of views a video is getting per hour. As you can see, this video right here is getting 24 views an hour. This one is getting 98 views an hour. So basically what you want to do right here, you want to click on the videos, and I'm going to show you how to do the process. So basically once you come to this video right here, you are going to see a lot of people who are going to be having difficulty with setting up their Google Ads campaign, or those who need more information or who need more help about Google Ads campaign. So you are going to go through the comments and look for those who are asking questions about Google Ads campaign, and you want to leave a short reply directing them to your Fiverr gig. All right, so basically this is one of the easiest way that you can also drive faster sales to your gig, by coming over to YouTube and looking for targeted traffic and directing that traffic to your Fiverr gig. Another easy method that you can use to start getting clients on your Fiverr gig is by going to Facebook groups. Okay, and I'm not an advocate of going to Facebook group to spam links. Okay, I don't advise doing that because that method doesn't work at all. So basically what you want to do when you join this Facebook group, since you've gone through this Google Ad course, you want to go to the Facebook groups and give tips and advice on how to run successful ads campaign. All right, so basically you can also look at people who are asking questions on this Facebook group, you can recommend them your Fiverr gig. So basically that is also an easy way that you can use to start getting sales on Fiverr. And like I said, there are a lot of groups that you can join on Facebook, and you can start driving targeted traffic to your Fiverr gig. And like I said, you don't want to go to these groups to spam the groups. You want to go on to this group to give value. And once you find people who are asking questions about how to run campaigns, then you can leave a link to your Fiverr gigs. And keep in mind, once you start getting sales on Fiverr from other platforms, Fiverr is going to automatically start ranking your gig on Fiverr itself, and you can even get more sales from Fiverr promoting your gig. So basically that brings us to the end of this video, and if you find any value, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.